Hi, it's Casey with Sunshine Homestead. You know what time it is. Time to get those eggs. Come on, let's go. We don't got all day. See what we got in here in the first coop. Looks like we got eggs. Okay, the first one, we got 1, 2. Ooh, that speckled one I like. What's that? Ain't got none. She's mad. We got 3, 4. Well, must be somebody different. Looks a little different. Okay, you're mad?
She was looking for
5.
your coop.
Ooh, good. Nice one. 6, 7. There you go. Look at it. 7. Let's go to the next coop. What we got? This one probably has a bunch in here. Yep. Okay, so we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have 14. None in there. 15, 16, 17, and 18. This one's laying. I won't mess with her. She's mean. They want to lay, so I'll come back later. I think she's still laying too, so we'll come back later. So we got 18 so far. Back, we got one over here. She was laying earlier. My blue lace red Wyandotte. So there is 19. And then we got one up here. It's 20. One here. That's 21. And here. That's 22. Any more? Might be someone to her. She moves, so that's suspicious. Yeah, she's got a pile. 23, 24, 25. Yeah. Thank you. 25, and I gotta go check. We got this one. It's 26, but it's raining.
You gotta take her back.
We gotta take her back. And she laid over here, so 27. Now we gotta go back. Came out to check on the chickens and I had 2 more in here. I think earlier I had 28, so I think that's 30, but I'm not sure. Go back to my video and check. And I guess there's another one here in this coop. We got 31 in my pocket. Good job, everybody. Thank you, ladies.